Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 12C and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to find the settings, so let's tap on them and then let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find additional settings. So of course additional settings will not be at the very bottom, but it's much easier to reach them at the very bottom of the list. So here we have to tap on date and time, and as you can see we've got options which are connected obviously to the date and time, but unfortunately we cannot tap on them in order to customize them. It is because that right now we are using the automatic date, time and the time zone, and they are network based. So first of all we have to turn off all of those switchers here, and now as you can see we can freely tap on date and just by swiping change the date. The same situation with the time, just by swiping tap on OK. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar. And the time zone, of course, we can change it too. Just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available time zones. So just find the one and tap on it. Let me pick the color randomly. As you can see, it has been maybe not color, but the reunion time. Hello, what happened? Okay, whatever. As you can see, it works just like that. Just tap on the time zone you want to set, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you've got the time format, which is currently automatic, but you can of course manually change it to the 12-hour or 24-hour option. Just tap on the one you'd like to set, and dual clock. It's up to you if you want to use it. If you want to, you can just tap on the second clock and pick actually any place in the world from which you'd like to know the exact time. Alright, so basically this is how to customize the date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those three switchers here to use the automatic sets. So basically that's all. This is how to set date and time in your Xiaomi Redmi 12C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.